In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox files on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your Dropbox files to appear on your desktop so you can work with them just like any other folder. To start, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox homepage where you can see all of your files and folders stored in the cloud. Next, look for the option to download the Dropbox desktop app. This is usually found in your account menu or at the bottom of the page. Click to download the installer that matches your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. When the download is complete, open the installer file. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, go ahead and confirm so the installation can continue. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup window. Typically, you just need to agree to the terms and click through the prompts. Once the installation finishes, the Dropbox desktop app will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can find it in your Applications or Programs folder and open it from there. Now, you'll be asked to sign in again inside the desktop app. Use the same account you logged into on the website. After you sign in, Dropbox will create a special Dropbox folder on your computer. This folder is the key to syncing. Anything inside it will be kept in sync with your online Dropbox account. Give it a moment to download your existing files. You'll see them start to appear in the Dropbox folder. The sync icons next to each file or folder will show you the status. A blue rotating icon means it's in progress, and a green checkmark means the file is fully synced and available offline. From this point on, you can manage your Dropbox files directly from your File Explorer or Finder, just like any other folder. To sync a new file, simply drag or save it into the Dropbox folder. It will automatically upload to the cloud and sync to any other devices connected to your account. If you want to pause syncing temporarily, open the Dropbox app from your system tray or menu bar and use the pause option. You can resume syncing the same way when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully set up Dropbox to sync files on your computer, making it easy to keep everything up to date across all your devices.